Being a pro or a successful bettor isn't just about winning big money or winning regularly with football betting. Managing your betting budget and stakes is one of the most important aspects of always making profit in the world of betting, because, if you do not have the stake budgeting knowledge, you can win $10,000 today, and later lose it back to the betting company after a few weeks without even knowing it. And this happens to a lot of bettors. So make sure you watch this video to the end to have the golden knowledge on how to manage your funds wisely to minimize risks and maximize potential profits. The number one stake management tip is to set a budget. Determine an amount of money you're comfortable with losing and can afford to invest in your betting activities. Never bet with money you can't afford to lose. Do not be tempted to use the whole of your house rent or school fees to stake on 2 to 3 odds. Betting sites are not companies where you just double money or triple money anytime you want. Bookmakers are smart, and they did not start their company to give out free money. Stake only the amount that won't hurt you after loss, and always have it in mind that the outcome of your bet is 50-50, no matter how sure it looks. Tip number 2 is a golden rule: avoid chasing losses. After a losing bet, it's natural to want to recover quickly. It happens to everyone. But increasing your stakes in frustration can lead to even bigger losses. Some bettors go from losing little stake, by taking the bigger risk of staking higher, to a lower odds. Stick to your unit system. Take your time to re-strategize before staking your money on another bet. Tip number 3 involves the unit betting system. Assign a specific percentage of your bank balance, typically around 1 to 5%. This ensures consistency in your bets regardless of winning or losing streaks. Also, as your account balance grows or shrinks, adjust your stake accordingly. This maintains balance in your betting strategy and helps you to avoid hurtful loss. Tip number 4 involves research and selective betting. Analyze matches thoroughly and only bet on those you're confident about. Quality over quantity is the key here. You don't have to bet on all the big teams or on every odds that looks sure. The more games you bet on, the more likely you are to lose. That is why betting companies always multiply your odds and give you more bonus as you select more games on your bet list. Tip number 5 is to maintain detailed records of your bets and have patience and discipline. This helps you analyze your performance over time and identify what's working and what needs adjustment. Last but not least tip is about patience and discipline. Successful betting is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stick to your strategy, and avoid impulsive or emotional decisions. Bank balance and stake management is the key to a successful soccer betting strategy. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to making informed and responsible betting decisions. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share with your fellow bettors.